I'll let you know in a second. I didn't even look at pricing for single boxes on that. All right, guys, here we go. mnum doing Series 2 in Playbook Hockey, so we'll start with Series 2 as it has more packs. Nice mnum. It's always a fun thing, right? Well, yeah. It's the best part of a bad situation. And if anyone wants anything, we've got Dominion Hockey, Crown Hockey, Playbook Hockey, Totally Certified Hockey, Series 2 Hockey, and 5-star football and MT football. And if UPS gets here, we'll have some Triple Threads baseball, Ultimate football, just a little bit more stuff. So here we go. Series 2 Hockey, followed by Playbook for mnum. First up, Jonathan Bernier. O-Peachy. Jonathan Bernier. You got a Leaf. Yeah, buddy. Next, the Dominator, Dominic Hasek. 1990s Hockey Heroes. Next, O-Peachy of Iggy, Jerome Iginla. O-Peachy. I'm not sure. 2000s. Next, we have a Young Guns of Jerry D'Amigo. A Leaf. A Leaf. Next, we have a Canvas of OEL. Oliver Ekman-Larsson. And knowing Upper Deck, I could definitely see Team Canada heroes. And Cody Cici. Is that how you say his? I think it's Cici. Young Guns. Oh boy, nice. High gloss. Nice and not so nice. Freaking goon. Number 2 of 10, Matt Cook. High gloss. Yeah, I'll be at the expo. I leave Friday. Fly out Friday. He is a goon, but you got a high gloss. Yeah. Ryan Murray, Marquee Rookies. Ryan Murray, Marquee Rookies. Yeah, if it was my card, I'd be very tempted to rip it in half. But since it's yours, I will not do that. Rookie Materials, Seth Jones. Seth Jones, Rookie Materials jersey. Solid one. Yeah, he's a goon. Jason Spezza. Dylan McElrath, Young Guns, Ranger. Oh, little buddy. Marquee Rookies of Rasmus Ristolainen. Marquee Rookie of Ristolainen. Got another hit right here. Who's it gonna be? Game jersey. Jonas Hiller. This looks like they look exactly the same every year. Jonas Hiller. Jakob Trouba, MVP rookie. Trouba MVP rookie. This one's a little more dense. What we got going on in here? Something shiny. Oh. Box paid for 79 of 100. Rookie breakouts. Nathan McKinnon. $79 of 100. Nathan McKinnon. Nice. Lars Eller canvas. Nice. Red O'Bara. Young Guns. Now you can really rip up that cook. You don't need it. Ryan Getzlaff, MVP. And a marquee rookie of Nathan McKinnon. I don't know if the backs mean anything, but there's the back. I know that some of the OPG stuff has weird stuff, like, that make them different. French rookie, maybe? Marquee rookie French, Nikita Zadorov. Is that the only parallel there is? Blank back. None of them have had a blank back. I can tell you that. Matt Sundin. Oh, nice. Wow. And a Young Gun canvas of Antti Ranta. I hear his name pronounced every different way, so I never know who to believe on him. Young Gun canvas. Nice. Didn't he already get him? Jonathan Bernier? Wasn't it like the first card of the break? Oh, you got a retro and the regular. There you go. There's the retro, there's the regular. Nikita Kucherov, Young Guns. Yeah, Series 2 is great. Nicholas Cronwall canvas. And, oops, I think you have all the Young Guns. I'm going to guess like an MVP. I had to guess. No, you got another one. Taylor Beck. Young Guns. Alright, so Series 2 was freaking awesome. Playbook. Much quicker break for Playbook. I think you got one, it's going to be a booklet with a patch, I think. That doesn't feel quite thick enough to be 2 booklets. Could be. Yep, booklet with a patch. Oh, nice too. Man, crushed it. To 249, Patrick Waugh. Numbered 9 of 10, Henrik Lundqvist parallel. Numbered, man, Nick would have loved this box. Numbered 6 of 10, JT Miller rookie breakout patch. 6 of 10. And, this pack wants to kill itself. Scott Lofton, number to 199, rookie playbook. Rangers Flyers box. I'm surprised these cards aren't damaged. So mnum, nice break, sir.